Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be trying a new hair mask for my natural hair. It is the onion juice. Yes, for a while now I've heard a lot about onion juice, but I've been so reluctant to try it due to the smell of onion, which I don't like so much to be on my hair. But finally I decided to give it a try. So let's find out what I think about this deep conditioner, or is it hair mask. So I'll be using one medium-sized onion. I'm just going to dice it and blend it all together. So this is what the consistency looks like. So the next step, I'm just going to drain out the juice with a sieve into this bowl. So this is the amount of juice I got. Note, you can always use your remains, as in the particles of the onion, to cook food. You don't have to throw it away. I used mine to cook. Also, I learned some people add some kind of essential oil like lemon oil or any scented oil to just curtail the smell of the onion into this onion juice. But as for me, I didn't add any. I just wanted to see the real effect of this onion juice. So darlings, it is time to apply my onion juice. Guys, have you noticed how long my hair has grown? Thanks to my rice water treatment. I love rice water treatment. So now I'm going to apply it from my scalp before I distribute it everywhere, just like this. Onion is rich in antibacterial properties, which helps to keep your scalp healthy and free of infections. It also helps to control dandruff. Also helps in the regrowth of hair loss. It also helps in circulation of blood on your scalp, promotes healthy hair growth. They are also rich in sulfur, which minimizes hair breakage. So now I'm just going to cover my hair for about 30 minutes. You can cover yours for more before washing off with shampoo and warm water and your conditioner, whatever. So I am back from washing my hair. Now let's hear the verdict. Guys, I'm really going to give my honest review on this. Where I did notice that my hair is softer. Yes, as you can see, it's stretchy, even though yes, after washing your hair it always shrinks. My hair shrunk, which is normal, but I think it's kind of a bit softer. Well, it wasn't bad at all for the first time, and I think I'll be giving it a try again because I actually like the way my hair feels at the moment. It feels really soft and luscious, if that is the right word. Anyways, though you all know I'm a rice water lover, I will be adding this to my deep conditioner list. So I'm just going to seal it in with some leave-in conditioner, virgin hair fertilizer, and a bit of castor oil. So guys, that is all for this video. I do hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you and bye.